If you ordered the OBD GPS tracking device, this is what it looks like. It has the same style shape as the OBD port that goes in most vehicles, most newer vehicles. This is simply a plug-in. All you do is grab the device, you match up the angles with the OBD port, you plug it right in, give it a few seconds and you'll see the lights start to come on. You'll see a green light come on first, and then you'll see a blue light come on and start flashing or steady. Once you get that blue light, you know that it's gotten a GPS signal. Call customer service at 1-800-293-0420 so we can verify that the unit has acquired a signal, has gotten locked in.